everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make butter with one ingredient. All you need is organic heavy cream. You just pour it in a food processor. You get it all out. Then close the lid and turn it on. After about a minute, you'll notice that the cream will start turning into whipped cream, like that. It's thickening up, so you'll want to keep running it until the cream separates from the liquid. You'll start to notice that the cream is starting to thicken up a little bit and starting to look a little chunkier. And this whole process takes several minutes, so just have to be patient. It is starting to release right now. And you'll see the liquid starting to form. Then you want to check it. And I might run it a little bit more. I think there still could be some more liquid left in there. Okay, once you think it's ready, you're gonna get maybe a container, and you can use a cheesecloth, or I like to just use like a fine mesh strainer here, and you're gonna pour the buttermilk through that, like this. Let the butter come out, and this gets a little messy. Get all that milk out because you can save it, and what I like to do is I like to use it to make pancakes or biscuits, waffles, even buttermilk waffles. It's not as thick as the buttermilk that you would buy just from the store, but it still really works well. You want to really press out all that liquid. Once you think you've squeezed out all of the liquid, you can go ahead and get a container to store your butter in. I got this little container that has different compartments that I like using, but I've also stored it in just any airtight container in the fridge. So we'll just start filling these little molds with butter. And it's pretty soft, so I'll refrigerate it and it will really start to then hold structure. Okay, so I just press it down a little bit and cover it up and put that in the fridge. For the buttermilk now, I'll just get a container and just pour the liquid through. And I'll save that in the refrigerator until I need it.